What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you the shortcut keys in Excel. So most of us think that um there isn't really a lot of shortcut keys in Excel, right? So now we are going to use just the keyboard keys to access some buttons for this particular video. So now I want to merge more than one cells, so I'm going to highlight more than one cells. So I'm doing this with my keyboard, right? Just hold down, press down the shift, and move your left or right or downward key, right? So now I want to access the merge and center, and so first of all I'm going to tap the alt key. Right now, if you look at this, your F stands for the file, the home goes with H, insert goes with N, and so on and so forth. And if you also look at your quick access toolbar, you realize that we have the 1, 2, 3. So it's just going, um, progressively like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. It depends on the number of tools or buttons you have, in your quick access toolbar. So now I want to merge and center, and if you look at our merge and center, you realize that is inside our home ribbon, right? So I'm going to tap the H, because the H stands for the home, right? So now I'm going to tap my M. So if you look at the home ribbon, you realize I immediately we tapped on the H, more keyboard shortcut keys popped up, right? So but for the merge and center, our keyboard shortcut keys M. So I'm going to tap on the M, right? Now you see a drop down list, but the one we are looking for is merge and center, so I'm going to tap on the C that's associated with it. Now you see our cells has been merged, right? Now let me give you another example. Let me say I write something like James Bond, right? Now what I want to do, I want to move the Bond to the next column, right? So what I'll do is I'm going to tap on my alt, right? Because I know my column text column is in data, I'm going to tap on my A, right? Now you can see your text column right here, right? Now I'm going to tap on my E, right? And this is going to pop up. So I'm going to say fixed, I'm going to say next, I'm going to click on next again, I'm going to say text, I'm going to just say finish, and you can see the bond has been moved to the next column. So I just hope you guys got the shortcut keys. So anytime you want to access your shortcut keys, just first of all have to tap on your alt, right? You tap on your alt, then you go with the alphabet, the letters there associated with the particular tab that you want to get into. So if I want to get into the view tab, I'm going to tap my W, and immediately you tap on your W to access your view tab, you're going to see other keys that is associated with the buttons in your view tab, and so on and so forth. So thank you guys for watching. So